Hello friends, welcome to Annamalai IAS. I hope you people are preparing well for preliminary examination, right? So we are doing video on countries of the world. So this is third video which would help you people in gathering some fact about countries, different countries, right? So this is third video on this particular topic, that is countries of the world. So let's directly get into multiple choice questions. First question: which nation is half European and half Asian? Options are A. Israel, B. USSR, C. Turkey, D. East Germany. Right? So this is direct question. The right answer is option B, that is USSR, now former USSR. Right? So now Russia. So let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. The Iran-Iraq war started for exclusive possession of: option A, Iranian oil refineries, B, Shat al-Arab region, C, the territory already captured by Iran from Jordan and Iraq both, D, the whole of western Iran. Right? So these are the option. The right answer is option B, that is Shat al Arab. Right? So this region, especially Shat al Arab, is a river which is around 200 kilometers length. This is formed due to the confluence of the river Euphrates and Tigris. Right? So it is the region which has the confluence of both river Euphrates and Tigris. So let's move on to the next question. Which of these is smallest country in Europe? Which of these is smallest country in Europe? The options are A, Vatican City, B, Monaco, C, Andorra, D, Luxembourg. The right answer is option A, that is Vatican City. So let's move on to the next question. Again, this can be your potential question for preliminary examination. Which European country has 7 frontiers, 6 republics, 5 nationalities, 4 languages, 3 religions, and 2 alphabets? The options are A, Czechoslovakia, B, Switzerland, C, Yugoslavia, D, Greece. The right answer is option C, that is Yugoslavia. Next question. Let's move on to next question. Which of the following is the main country to use biogas on considerable scale? Usage of biogas on considerable scale is done by which country? Options are A, India, A, China, B, India, C, Korea, D, Nepal. The right answer with respect to the given option is option A, that is China. Right? So and with respect to the world, the leading with respect to considerable use of biogas is Germany. So let's move on to the next question. Right? It is about international organization. Right? The International Day of Peace is celebrated by UNO on: option A, first Monday of January, second Friday of August, third Tuesday of September, fourth Saturday of December. The right answer is option C, again which is very factual, third Tuesday of September. Right? So let's move on to the next question. Again it is with respect to UNO. Official languages of UNOR. Option A, English, French, Chinese, Russian, Arabic and Spanish. B, English and French. C, English, Chinese, French and Russian. D, English, Hindi, Chinese and Russian. The right answer is option A, that is English, French, Chinese, Russian, Arabic and Spanish. Right? So this is the right answer. Again, which is very factual question. So let's move on to the next question. The member countries of Commonwealth. So this question is about member countries of Commonwealth. Option A, agree to come to defense of each other if attacked by any outsider. B, have democratic governments on the same pattern as UK. C, are free to follow independent policies. D, share the same wealth and hence the name. Right? So the right answer with respect to this question is option C. It is most right closest answer. So that is the members of Commonwealth are free to follow independent policies. We are also the member of Commonwealth, right? So with this question we wind up this session. I hope this session was useful, where I have tried to give some fact about countries of the world and international organizations, right? Please do subscribe my channel, which would be helpful for me to make more videos which would help you people to clear preliminary examination, right? And do hit the bell button so that you can get notification then and there itself, right? And we are also planning to conduct test series for preliminary examination. You can contact us through the given phone number, and you people also can write through mails, right? So that is annamalayarias@gmail.com. Wish you all success for your preliminary preparation. Thank you.